Ever wondered why SEO is better than ads? The answer lies in cost-effectiveness and sustainable growth. In the digital marketing arena, businesses often grapple with choosing between immediate results from ads or the enduring success of search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. Today, we delve into why SEO triumphs as the superior choice, reshaping the digital marketing landscape. Picture a strategy that marries frugality with sustainable growth. That's the beauty of SEO. Unlike ads, which demand a constant cash flow, SEO is a one-time investment that keeps giving. It's the gift that keeps on yielding organic traffic, ensuring your brand enjoys long-term results without the constant monetary drain. But it's not just about cost. SEO's superiority over ads extends to the credibility and trust it fosters in your audience. When your brand ranks high in organic search results, it's seen as reputable, trustworthy. On the other hand, ads may come off as intrusive, lacking the genuine connection that SEO naturally establishes. This brings us to the concept of quality over quantity, the mantra at the heart of SEO. By focusing on users who are actively seeking solutions, SEO drives a higher quality of traffic to your website. With carefully chosen keywords and relevant content, you attract an audience truly interested in your brand, leading to superior conversion rates. But SEO isn't just about rankings and traffic, it's also about enhancing the user experience. Through optimized website structures, effortless navigation, and valuable content, SEO ensures a user-friendly journey, fostering engagement and satisfaction. Engagement leads to interaction. Interaction leads to loyalty. With SEO, you're not just attracting visitors, you're building relationships. By consistently providing valuable content tailored to user intent, you encourage meaningful interactions that fuel brand loyalty and growth. In a world of fleeting trends, SEO stands tall as a beacon of sustainability. Its organic growth ensures longevity, making your brand less susceptible to ad blocking and algorithm changes. With SEO, you're not chasing trends, you're building a legacy. In conclusion, the choice is clear. Embrace the power of SEO for cost-effective, sustainable growth, credibility, and engagement. It's not just about outranking your competition, it's about outshining them with authenticity and value. Unlike ads that require continuous spending, SEO guarantees long-term results without draining your budget. Ready to elevate your digital presence with SEO? Let's take this journey to lasting success together. A high ranking in organic search results isn't just about visibility, it's about credibility. In the vast expanse of the digital world, your brand reputation is everything. It's the cornerstone of your identity, the lifeblood of your business. And this is where search engine optimization, or SEO, steps in, providing an invaluable tool to build and safeguard your reputation. Consider the psychology behind a search. A user enters a query and trusts the search engine to present the best results. If your brand appears at the top of these organic results, it's not just a win for visibility. It's a powerful endorsement from the search engine itself, a stamp of approval that enhances your brand's credibility in the eyes of the user. Now contrast this with ads. Sure, they can catapult your brand to the top of the page, but they come with an asterisk, a tiny ad label that subtly whispers, "This brand paid to be here." While ads might boost visibility, they don't quite carry the same weight of authenticity. They could even come across as intrusive, disrupting the user's experience. But with SEO, it's a different story. Every high ranking you earn, every keyword you conquer is a testament to your brand's relevance and value. It's a signal that you're not just paying to play the game, you're leading it. This builds trust, a priceless commodity in the digital marketplace, and as this trust grows, so does your brand's reputation. SEO also allows you to manage your online presence more effectively. By optimizing your content, you control the narrative. You decide how your brand is presented, what information is highlighted, and how your value proposition is communicated. This proactive approach to brand management empowers you to shape perceptions and solidify your reputation. Remember, in the digital world, trust isn't given, it's earned. And SEO is the perfect tool to earn that trust, to build a brand reputation that resonates with authenticity and value. With SEO, your brand isn't just seen, it's trusted. Quality over quantity, that's the mantra of SEO. While ads may cast a wide net hoping to catch a few interested fish, SEO is like a heat-seeking missile, targeting users actively seeking solutions. These users are already interested, already engaged, and potentially ready to convert. This is why SEO drives higher quality traffic to your website than ads. Let's delve deeper into this concept. Imagine you own a bicycle shop, and you want to attract customers who are interested in buying high-quality racing bikes. You could spend hundreds or even thousands on ads that reach a broad audience, including people who have no interest in bicycles, let alone high-end racing bikes. Or you could invest in SEO, targeting keywords that the people who are interested in racing bikes are likely to use when searching online. The results from these two strategies are vastly different. With ads, you might get a lot of traffic, but how many of those people are actually interested in your products? How many will convert into customers? On the other hand, with SEO, the traffic might be smaller in volume, but it is composed of people who are actively looking for the products you sell. They're more likely to stick around, explore your website, and ultimately make a purchase. SEO is not a shot in the dark, it's a targeted approach. It's about understanding user intent and aligning your content to meet those needs. It's about delivering value to people who are already looking for what you offer. This targeted traffic leads to superior conversion rates. Why? Because you're not trying to convince someone they need your product. They already know they do. Your job is to convince them that your product is the best choice. And with SEO, you've already won half the battle by attracting them to your website in the first place. So the next time you're considering your digital marketing strategy, remember this: quality over quantity. With relevant content and optimized keywords, SEO attracts an audience genuinely interested in what you offer. SEO isn't just about rankings, it's about enhancing the user experience. Imagine walking into a store where everything is neatly arranged, the products are top-notch, and you can easily navigate to find what you're looking for. That's the kind of experience a well-optimized website offers. With SEO, the journey doesn't end at the search engine results page. It continues on your website, where every element from site structure to navigation is optimized for user satisfaction. SEO refines the website's structure, ensuring it's intuitive and easy to navigate. It's like a well-drawn map guiding your visitors to their desired destination. But what's a journey without valuable content? SEO places a premium on delivering high-quality content that resonates with your visitors. It's not about stuffing keywords, it's about crafting content that provides value, answers questions, and solves problems. This approach fosters user engagement, turning casual visitors into active participants in your brand story, and there's more. SEO also focuses on site speed and mobile optimization. In a world where every second counts, a slow-loading site can be a deal-breaker. SEO ensures your site loads quickly, keeping your visitors engaged and reducing bounce rates. Similarly, with more than half of all web traffic coming from mobile devices, SEO prioritizes mobile optimization, ensuring your site looks and performs great no matter the screen size. Let's not forget about accessibility. SEO ensures your website is accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities. Not only is this a best practice in the digital age, but it also widens your reach, making your brand more inclusive and diverse. And finally, SEO helps you understand your users better. With tools like Google Analytics, you can track user behavior, identify trends, and gain insights to continually improve your website and user experience. So you see, SEO doesn't just get you visitors. It ensures they have a great journey on your site. It's about creating an engaging, user-friendly environment that encourages visitors to stay, explore, and ultimately become loyal customers. Remember, SEO isn't just a strategy, it's a commitment to delivering the best experience to your users. With SEO, you're not just attracting visitors, you're building relationships. These relationships are the bricks and mortar of your digital empire, woven together by trust, value, and interaction. When we speak of interaction, we're not talking about simple clicks or likes. We're talking about meaningful connections, conversations that spark interest and engagement that breeds loyalty. You see, SEO has an uncanny knack for encouraging dialogue. It's not just about getting your audience to your site, It's about keeping them there, piquing their curiosity, and providing a platform where they can express their thoughts, ideas, and needs. This forms the basis of a relationship, a two-way street where both you and your audience derive value. But here's the real magic of SEO. It's not a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process, a journey that evolves with the needs and wants of your audience. By consistently delivering content that resonates with your audience's intent, you're not just fulfilling their immediate needs, you're anticipating their future desires. This is the kind of interaction that fosters loyalty, that transforms a one-time visitor into a lifelong customer, a brand ambassador. And then there's the longevity. In a digital world that's constantly in flux, where trends come and go at the blink of an eye, SEO offers a sense of stability, a beacon of sustainability. By focusing on organic growth, SEO ensures your brand remains resilient in the face of ad-blocking technologies and unpredictable algorithm changes. You see, with SEO, you're not merely playing the game, you're changing the rules. It's not about chasing the next big thing. It's about creating your own path, building your own legacy. It's about carving out a space in the digital landscape where your brand can grow, thrive, and endure. In a world of fleeting trends, SEO stands tall as a beacon of sustainability. It's not just about outranking your competition. It's about outlasting them, outshining them with authenticity, value, and longevity. Because at the end of the day, SEO isn't just a strategy, it's a commitment to your audience, to your brand, and to your future. In conclusion, the choice is clear. Embrace the power of SEO. It offers cost-effective, sustainable growth and credibility. It's about quality traffic, superior conversion rates, and enhanced user experience. SEO is not just about outranking your competition, but outshining them with authenticity and value. It's about building relationships and a legacy that withstands fleeting trends. Ready to elevate your digital presence with SEO? Contact us today and embark on a journey towards lasting success.